guys looking for? You looking for me? You think I'm down there? I'm the one holding the camera. Gotcha. Hello everyone, welcome back to another Adventures with 52. I am on the trail again today. I'm in a place called Uvas Canyon Park, and I am going to track down a few little waterfalls and see how they are. The trail is supposed to be fairly short, but let's see how it is. Let's follow the water. Let's go. Alright, so far from the get-go, this short trail has been all uphill. Some pretty steep, some not so steep. But again, why do trails always start steep? You need to give your time legs to warm up. Oh well, I guess that's all part of hiking, right? Let's keep continuing up the trail and see what we find. Let's go. I tell you what, this trail seems to be all up today. I really haven't found any level spots, but I guess that means going back, it's all the way down. Something to look forward to, but it's still a pretty nice place. It's not too crowded today. It's about 85 degrees. Maybe that's what's keeping people away. It is kind of warm in here. This trail seems to have many little bridge crossings, which makes it pretty cool. Their trail marking system here really sucks. I think I'm on the right trail, but I don't know. You keep coming up on these markers that keep pointing and say 1/10 of a mile more, and you keep going, you come to another sign that says 1/10 of a mile more, but you just don't run into anything. So I think I'm gonna head back the way I came, because there was more water that way. This over here is just barely a trickle. All right, let's head back down. Well, that's it. That's been another Adventures with 50 Tube. I hope you enjoyed the little hike we had today. It was pretty nice. It was okay. But like usual, if you like what you saw, please subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. Share. Comment. And I will see you on my next adventure. Bye.